Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your chasing card detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your chasing card, begin by locating the card you received in the mail. Ensure you have the card in front of you for reference. Next, visit the official Chase website by entering www.chase.com into your web browser. If you don't have an account, click on Not Enrolled. Sign up now to create one. Fill in the required personal information, including your social security number and date of birth. Follow the prompts to set up your username and password. If you already have an account, simply click on Sign In and enter your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section in the main menu. Look for an option labeled Activate Card or similar wording. Select the chasing card you wish to activate. You may be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code located on the back of your card. After entering the necessary details, click the Submit button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. If you prefer to activate your card over the phone, locate the phone number on the back of the card. Call the number provided and follow the automated instructions. You may need to provide your card number and personal identification information for verification. Once verified, the representative will confirm that your card is activated. Retain your card and keep it secure for your future transactions. You're now ready to use your chasing card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.